Motorola Moto G85 5G users, a new software update is available in 2026. In this video, I will show you how to update your phone and what's new in this update. This latest update improves overall performance, system stability, and security. It is recommended for all Moto G85 5G users. So let's get started. First of all, open settings. Then scroll down and tap on System Updates. After that, tap on Check for Updates. As you can see, an 89.12 MB update is available on my device. Here you tap on Use Mobile Data. Now the update is downloading and installing. Once the update is completed, tap on Restart. That's it. Your Motorola Moto G85 5G is now updated to the latest software. This update also includes the latest security patch, which helps protect your device from security issues. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more updates.